Not a morning person? Find it hard to get up and seize the day? Then it's time to open your eyes to the benefits of a Lumie Bodyclock dawn simulator that gently wakes you with light, just like a sunrise, offering a more pleasant and natural way of starting your day. Half an hour before your wake-up time, the Lumie Bodyclock starts to emit light, which gradually increases in brightness over the 30 minutes. The brightening light cues your body to reduce the production of the sleep hormone melatonin and increase the levels of cortisol, the energy hormone. So when you wake, your body is in balance and you're ready to take on the day. Waking with a dawn simulator every day has been proven to boost your mood, productivity, and energy levels. Lumie body clocks are also available with a range of extra features, including a variable sunrise and sunset, a dimmable bedside light, a radio, plus natural wake-up sounds to enhance the natural wake-up experience. Invented in Cambridge by Lumie, Bodyclock has been making a real difference to many people's lives. Isn't it time you woke up to the benefits of Lumie Bodyclock?